I say, yo, look how things change, you see me? I'm born and raised 57 Walton Park Road, Mangoostown.
A Mangoostown come from?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Cockburn Pen.
Can we find some of what we can do? How did we meet?
You always want to do your thing. Me, I do my
Alright,
thing, but you have to start me to do my your
It
thing.
has such an inspirational story. I'm so proud of it.
I'm done.
Dude.
Guys, like years ago, why I'm so proud of this trip?
Sorry.
Cockburn
Pen. What else? What else?
Mangoostown.
So basically, people might tell us how far I come from.
You see me?
Yeah.
Used to walk barefoot.
Jeremy, you know, come from so far. Don't do it. Do not do it.
Look here, don't argue with me.
Don't
used to barefoot. Walk barefoot in my community.
People come from so far.
Yo, one pair of
so
shoes. You wear the one pair of shoes everywhere you go. Like me, I tell?
I don't know them the time. I don't know them the days day. I walk go to school and all these business.
No, I don't walk go to school. I never walk.
So if you never there walk go to school,
why you be barefoot?
In the community, if you open up your ears, I bet you say you play it back your ear.
This is
you made it seem. You made it seem as
if... It's not a matter where it seems, it's
no,
what I said.
People comment below and tell me where you get from when you just say.
Yo,
like
don't
have a rough life.
Like, no, yes, like saying never have no shoes at all and you used to walk go barefoot.
No. No, at the end of the day, I say what I say. Whatever you want to interpret it, that's upon you. Zine?
I missed one thing to your vlog.
No.
Please.
When are you
my vlog, Skylife TV.
Okay, anyway.
Our vlog
it's our vlog.
Me never poor. Me have a good childhood. You see me, I say, me now act like me ungrateful. I wouldn't change how I grow up with nobody because I learn to appreciate a lot of things by how I grow up. Zine? Them, go spoon and go for them out.
Guys,
we have a long story.
Guys, one thing I'm so proud of, but maybe 7 years ago when we met, like
6.
About 7.
We meet in 2013.
Alright, Jeremy, we'll talk about it on the next vlog. Anyways, when we meet, when I think that we decided, we're going to
see me walk with our bag. Me a good man, no boy come grab our bag and run with our things.
We spoke about traveling together and stuff like that. And I feel so happy about us accomplishing that, you know? Like if we did company trip and never do not talk, but I'm still happy.
Okay, then we can go home then.
Yeah, right now. Right. Wonder if we can set up on these videos. So.
Yeah, my reason. Right, just say if I put in some sad music, I say. Put in some sad music, I say. Yeah, far where I come from, big man thing. Big up the whole of Mangoostown.
Big up Mobile.
Cockburn Pen.
Mobile, girl.
Yeah, big up Portland, Port Antonio. Come and live there for 3 years.
You live in Portland?
Yeah.
Really?
See, up our man place.
Don't.
Yo, but I'm a little sister in them. I just think that cliche. I'm a bridge in them. You see me, I'm a sister in them. I'm a bridge in them. We're cool. You see me? They love when I cook for them. They love them belly.
Yeah, he's really good at cooking. Yeah. We're telling him that he should go ahead and do his
own restaurant, Jamaican restaurant. You would do a good job.
Honestly, it would have.
Yeah, and I understand, but like, I just standing on my way, I getting on my head about certain
people,
things.
I'm telling you something. That's why he's my only male friend, because I like man who can cook.
So that's why I'm your friend?
Yeah.
He has a snake. Oh yeah! I want them fucking colorful. Easting? The policia. And we're back from Baltimore. And this is where we end the vlog for today. We'll pick up tomorrow.
First thing I do when I go out.
We're so beat. Up our room?
Yeah.
Sit down.
I eat drumstick.
Oh yeah, my name is drumstick. Very unhealthy. And stuff, so.
People might think we gain like 3 pounds since I'm up here. I'm not sure if it's scale right or...
We are going to go somewhere later again?
Skating ring.
Okay. If we go out, we'll capture that. But if not, it's gonna be tomorrow. You know. So later, guys. Hi guys, I'm checking back with y'all. We are on the road. We're at Ross picking up some stuff. 6.5 can't fit you.
that.
6.5 round or so.
Yeah, no.
You want the 6.5? Yeah, so we're getting some stuff at Ross, and then I did take off my clothes and got in my bed, you know. Then see them I come back out. See 6 here. You know like this?
Oh, that's 6. A 6 or 6.
6.5. You know like this? Yeah, but shoes like this. Yeah, so we're getting some stuff here now. That's basically what we're doing. If anything is happening to tough, I'll check back in with you guys. We go stretch and stuff. Oh, should I try on shoes? I'm asking if it's cute. You didn't squeeze it?
Not really, but I went midnight for you all day. I'm going to take up your walk.
Oh, she dressed. She get a lot of compliments about it today. She can get me one, so I'm put it on the vlog. But he big. So guys, we have a card, and I want to know, what does this thing represent on the card? The pole thing. I don't know, pick up signal? I don't know. So if y'all know what it's for, this, so I can use it accordingly, please let me know. Alright, good morning guys. I don't know, you're MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what did them?
Me with a car, if you call me watch, I'm a phone off until you get there.
So guys, I just come from the gym, but the gym that I went to, hold on there. Oh boy. The gym that I went to was a different gym. Like, that is the first time I'm going to a gym like that. It's actually kickboxing with like 9 rounds. I tell you, good workout and thing. Me and Jeremy come, washing in our bed asleep. So the workout is like timed. It's around 30 to 45 minutes. And in between you would have some shout out sessions, like what I say, burpees, 30-second burpees, but you would still have to follow the trail until it's finished. I have on the gloves and everything. I could have vlogged because me and Jeremy alone come, and we were doing the routine hunting. So yeah, we can do different things to work out. It's a pretty good workout. You know, my boss are all kids with. Hunting, if I show my shirt with a black shirt, so I'm not gonna see it good. All of my shirt with up. Are the joggers I'm have on, so that, I don't know. I'm sitting. Got my water. I'm thinking when Jeremy come making tell me water.
But if you run into her,
Yeah. Wet.
I love it. Just relax, take deep breath, this is when they might get on your nerves. And just try to cut, because you already have a body, alright?
Yeah, so I'm mad tired. The house is like about 5 minutes away, so not gonna take long. It's a real beast, the man. A beast. They must have gonna go on. I was telling them about the kickboxing thing they set up in the rounds.
Yeah.
It's a real boxer, you know, have any but like, because me knew, I think me like hit it hard enough, the boxing thing. What do you call them there?
These?
No, the thing that
The
me
bugs?
the punching bags. Me hit them, you know, but I think me could have hit them harder, but because it's my first time. But I did good, right?
Shoot, you a crap.
You liar too. I did good.
Man, I said, if I kick the box, yeah. I'm like, kick the bug. You haven't kicked
Jeremy,
the bug.
remember say my foot short.
My
foot,
yeah,
you see how I made the
sensitive,
high
you know.
You see me the high if you hit the ball? Like I jump, me have to jump on KG. I'm so short, my nigga.
Why you keep calling me and why you so racist?
So yeah, so we go back home, bro. You think we're gonna wake up from 5 o'clock this morning? Because I said when I wake up early.
Yeah, phone early at 10 o'clock. Wake up from 7 o'clock and I watch the video.
So I'll check back in with you guys later when we're on the road or something. And see, so we have stuff. tired, man. The kickboxing thing shape me up. Jermaine is looking. I gel polish. Maybe I gel. This is gel money, guys. What shops the money, guys?
So the gel, yeah.
Liquid. How much should I want this?
Besides gel is on $10 same way.
I gel one should hamper. But it's too expensive for one nail polish. 10. I'm not believing it. I would get one nail polish for an expensive how much? $1. Guys, do you think $10 is a reasonable price for a gel nail polish?
That's $1,000.
JA. But I'm not really.
$1,200 JA.
Like, I think that's a little bit too much for a nail polish. I don't afford it.
I should check it up on the phone again.
I think we have too much stuff I also eat. So,
hello? I $10 for the nail polish, isn't it?
so why not stop at $5?
Eh?
Instant
Yeah.
dry. You want
How much it is?
$5.39.
We'll find one for $5.39.
One next Sunday, I say.
Take the phone off a speaker now.
How can I polish it?
Later.
Extreme wear.
No, yeah, keep asking me for repeat.
Trying to find a nail polish. $3.49.
What?
I guess she just have a shake copy.
How about this?
Nail polish, I mean. I don't know oil stays though. I don't believe me not like that one day.
Alright.
Get this on now.
Yes, you can just a nail glue.
Nail glue. Give me a second, guys. So guys, right now we're at a game shop. We were playing some games last night, so I guess y'all try to get some different game. They have I like games. I like playing games and stuff like that. I have games at Xbox, PS3, pre-owned games, everything Xbox. Oh dear. Do you mean one man maybe? What am I do now? You have one virtual setup thing. When I set up a BOS and you do one session for like 300. You just put on the mask and you have something. You make good money. You set up a peer one too. And you say have both the right thing then. Good little venture hunting. So that's basically what we're doing now. I'm gonna sign off because I'm not feeling too well. And I work out. That's what my German used watching car yesterday. It's lavender scent.
It's not lavender, it's vanilla.
Vanilla in the car. If you guys watch the vlog, you would have seen that we went to the car wash yesterday. Whatever it is that they use, kind of trigger off my sinus every time I go in that car. So I'm going to try see if we can go over and also try see if we can get something anti for it. So I'm gonna sign out now.